This seems like a controlled mess. Everything has its place, and I know exactly where everything is. Work mode on. Sennheiser doesn't want you to buy IE600. Well, this is IE200, an addition to the IE line of Sennheiser that disrupted the Sennheiser product line. IE300 got discontinued and got replaced by these IE200. However, is it really that good as everyone says? Let's find out. So let's start with unboxing. It comes with IEM, cable and some good amount of tips. It includes foam tips as well. However, foam tips are just not up to the mark. They have no memory whatsoever. Well, I am using silicone tips that it came attached with, which have been really good for me. Additionally, the tips have two positions. The first one is more of a gimmick, so I'll be talking about the second position only. Let's start with build quality and comfort. These IEMs are plastic built in a similar chassis as of IE600. The quality is good and feels premium to touch as well. However, the real rent begins now. It comes with an atrocious cable. Mind you, you're paying $150. Even if it is discounted, you're paying $100 and it is a bad cable for that. I have seen better cable in a $15 IEM. It is a thin and flimsy cable and it is very much prone to microphonics as well. Additionally, it comes with Sennheiser proprietary MMCX connector. So if your cable goes blah on you, you need a new cable which is going to cost $99. And yes, you cannot use any other MMCX connector on this. For that, you have to mod it yourself. So pretty disappointed in that regards. However, the moment I put them on, I kind of forgot about the cable. Because the sound quality, let's talk about it. IE200 has a slight V-shaped sound profile with a solid timbre. I would say it is more close to U-shape. Vocals are impressive considering the price point. Although they may sound slightly thin in comparison to an expensive alternative, however, amazing. IE200 is a Sennheiser attempt to give you high quality sound offering in a budget, so you can upgrade to IE600 in future. Overall, it delivers a fun and accurate sound with a touch of spark. So let's talk about it in detail, starting with the bass. IE200 has a deep and textured bass, which I think will be an instant hit for most of the people. However, it lacks a little weight in the mid bass. Overall, I love the bass on IE200. For example, if you listen to Billie Eilish's Bad Guy at 2 minutes 31 seconds, the bass is full of rumble. Additionally, Old Town Road by Lil Nas around 29 seconds, you will jump at least once for sure. It's a satisfying bass. Best part about the bass presentation in IE200, it doesn't bleed in any other frequencies and it is very much suitable for the modern music. Now talking about mids, I absolutely dig these IEMs. They have a natural tone and timbre for vocals. A nitpick here would be upper mids could have been more emphasized, especially around 2 to 4K regions. The layering and separation is good. Musicality is top notch on these sets. They can handle any genre you throw at them. They are very intimate set, which was expected from Sennheiser anyway. Treble is my favorite part about these IEM. It is open, airy and clean. It is well extended and has a smoother take on a V-shaped tuning, which is a good thing. I got a chance to listen IE600 at Headphone Zone Connect some month back and I can safely say that the smoother treble is a good thing for this tuning since IE600 tend to get sharper for some genres. If you listen to Red Light Zone by Colonia, all the cymbals and hi-hats are pronounced and are never sharp, never fatiguing. Overall, it's an excellent treble implementation in these IEMs. Now talking about technicals, let's start with detail and imaging. Detail retrieval on these sets is average. They are more aligned towards an intimate listening experience and are not technical in any way. However, imaging is just excellent. It is precise. Soundstage is very good. It is wider than most in this price range, however not as wide as some planners like S12 Pro. It is more like it creates a small room around your head and that is like 2 to 3 inches wide. The rhythm and timing of these IEM is top notch. Throw any song at it, it will not falter. The attack and decay is just solid. cohesive and controlled music in all frequencies is the key here. These are definitely a dynamic set of IEM with a very good dynamic range overall, and they pick emotions very well in the song. Overall, in technical terms, these are an average set focused on excellent musical experience. Now let's compare IE200 with other $150 sets. We have S12 Pro here and Truthear Nova here. Starting with build quality, both Nova and S12 Pro throw IE200 out of the park. Both are solid IEMs with sturdy cables, especially S12 Pro with metal build, and the modular cable is just perfect. For comfort, IE200 is the best one here. It is literally wear and forget. Sennheiser went with tried and tested formula here, which really works. S12 Pro is very comfortable as well with small chassis. However, Nova can be chonky boy for some in comparison. I personally have no problem with it. So now let's compare to sound. For bass, all three are amazing sets. However, Nova's bass is the best here. It's deep, textured and rumbly sound. It is a clear winner here. For mids and treble, there's no competition for IE200. S12 Pro is spicy in some treble and tends to sound metally in some genre. And Nova has a thin mids in comparison to IE200. IE200 has just so good of treble and tonality here, so it is a clear winner here. However, for details, IE200 takes a step back and S12 Pro just takes the crown here. It can highlight so many minute details in your song. While they are present in others as well like IE200 or your Nova, S12 Pro just makes them prominent and very easy to identify. So if you have to pick one, I would say if you want something that is very natural sounding, go with IE200. If you want something that has good details and resolution, S12 Pro should be your pick, and Truthear Nova is the all-rounder here. I would give IE200 a solid 4-star. It could have been an easy 5-star if it had an average cable. I like these IEMs a lot. As you can see, they are very close to my target as well. I like a little full sound with a natural timbre and well done mids. IE200 are those. I so want to recommend these. However, due to this atrocious cable, they are not value for money. So if you are an audiophile and want to experience Sennheiser sound, go for it. It is an absolutely amazing sounding IEM. However, if you want something to daily drive, there are better options, look for them. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe and I will see you on the next one.